everyone, welcome back to the session of English. In this session of English grammar, we are going to continue with prepositions. Now, this is part 5. We have been doing some prepositional phrases in all these sessions. In this session as well, we are going to discuss some phrasal verbs or preposition phrases. In this session, we are going to discuss changing prepositions with situations, that how do situations change along with preposition. It means when we change the prepositions, the entire situation changes, or the meaning of the phrase with along with the changing of prepositions change. Now let us see this one. So here we'll discuss concept number 4, in which nouns, they when we use noun plus preposition, they change along with the change in prepositions, or their meaning change, or the situation changes with the changing in preposition. For example, if we have account of, so here we have the word account, after which we are using the preposition of. Meaning of this is a report or description. If we say account of, it means we have a report or description. She gave an account of her trip. It means when she went to trip, whatever she has done over there, wherever she has gone, or wherever she has visited, all the report, all the discussion, or all the description about the trip she had to account for. It means she had to report entire description of her trip. Okay. Then if we say account for, it means to explain someone. Can you account for the missing money? Now, someone is asking to another person that if he can give him the report or the explanation of missing money. Okay. Now let us move to the next one. If we have the phrase advantage, we can have the preposition of, and if we say advantage of, what will be the meaning of it? That is benefit from. He took advantage of the sale. Now he took the advantage of sale. It means he was benefited because of the sale. Advantage over, it means showing the superiority. If we have advantage over something else, it means we have superiority over that. Their product has an advantage over its competitors. It means their product shows the superiority over the product of their competitors. Now let us move to the next one. The next phrase is advice on, and advice on means guidance about. She gave me advice on how to cook pasta. Advice about, it means information regarding. So when we say advice about, it means we are giving some information regarding. Do you know, or do you have any advice about traveling to Spain? It means, do you have any idea about traveling to Spain, that how to go to Spain, or information regarding the traveling of Spain? Okay, or traveling to Spain. Now let us move to the next one. Anger at. Anger at means mad about. His anger at the decision was evident. Anger towards, it means resentment to someone. She felt anger towards her friend for lying. It means she really showed resentment to her friend just because of lying. Now let us move to the next one. Answer to, it means solution or response to. I have the answer to your question. It means I have the response or the solution of your problem. Answer for, it means to justify or explain. For example, if you do any task and you need to answer for it, it means you have to explain that explain why you have involved in that situation. Okay. Or why were you involved in that situation? He must answer for his actions. It means he need to explain his actions. Now let us move to the next one. Appeal to means attract or interest. The idea has a broad appeal to many. It means this idea has attracted many people, or this idea has made the interest of many people towards that. Appeal against means challenge a decision. He filed an appeal against the court's verdict. Now let us move to the next one. Arrival at means reaching a place. His arrival at the station was timely. Arrival in, reaching a bigger place, city or country. Her arrival in Paris was celebrated. Okay, arrival in means reaching a bigger place, city or country. It means where you are. If you go to a bigger place, city or country, or most or the more popular country, you can say arrival in. Okay, now let us move to the next one. Belief in means when you have faith in something. His belief in justice is unshaken. Belief about, it means when we have opinion on something. There are many beliefs about the origin of the universe. It means there are many theories regarding the origin of the universe. So there are various opinions by various peoples. Okay, various opinions by various people. So they have they have made their opinion for the universe or the origin of the universe. Okay, now let us move to the next one. We have blame for, responsibility for a mistake. He took the blame for the error. It means the error which has been done or which has been made. He took the responsibility of that. It means he blamed for that. Blame on, putting responsibility on someone. So when we put the responsibility of some error on another person, it means we are blaming on that person. She put the blame on her colleague. It means she made her colleague the culprit, or the person who has done the error. Okay, so blame on, put blame on someone. It means when we make another person guilty or culprit. Okay, now let us move to the next one. Now this one is 10, that is care for, look after, or like. When we say we care for something, it means we look after something. She cares for her younger brother. If I say she cares for her younger brother, it means she looks after her younger brother. Care about, be concerned about something. It means when we feel worried about something. He cares about the environment. Okay, now let us move to the next one. Charge of, it means responsibility or control. She is in charge of the project. In charge of the project, it means she has the responsibility of the project or she controls the project. Charge for, price for a service. Now when we say what is the charge for this, it means we are asking what is the price of this thing. There is no charge for delivery. It means the delivery is totally free. Now let us move to the next one. Choice of, it means selection among options. You have a wide choice of colors. It means you have choice of selecting various colors. Choice between, selecting between two. She had to make a choice between her career and family. Now let us move to the next one. Comment on, it means remark about. Do you have a comment on this situation? Comment about, opinion on something more general. There were several comments about the event. Okay, so there were several comments about the event. Now let us move to the next one. Concern for means worry for. She expressed her concern for the environment. Concern about means anxiety about. There is growing concern about rising sea levels. Okay, so concern about means there is a growing concern. It means there is an anxiety about rising sea levels. Okay, it means everyone is worried about the rising sea levels that it may harm someone. Now let us move to the next one. Connection to, link to something. The laptop has a connection to the printer. Okay, connection between, it means relationship between two entities. There is a clear connection between diet and health. So when we say clear connection, it means we are showing the relationship between the two things or the relation between the two things. Okay, now let us move to the next one. Contact with, communication or connection with someone. He lost contact with his school friends. It means now there is no mode of communication, or there is no communication between him and his school friends. Okay, it means he never talks with his school friend. Okay, because now he has lost the connection with them. Contact about, it is contact about means communication regarding something. The bank is in contact about your account. Okay, now, contact with is also used when something is in touch with another thing. For example, if I say that the two things must be in contact with each other, it means they should touch each other. So, in that manner, we can use the contact with preposition phrase. Now, let us move to the next one. Contract for, agreement for a service or product. So when we make an agreement for a service or the product, we are making the contract. Okay, they signed a contract for the construction. But contract with, it means agreement with an entity. She has a contract with that publishing house. Now let us move to the next one. Credit for and credit to. Credit for is used to praise recognition for something. He took all the credit for the team's work. Okay. Credit to, it means attribute something to someone. The photo is credited to a famous photographer or photographer. Okay. Now let us move to the next one. That is criticism of. Disapproval of something. Criticism of means disapproval of something. When we disapprove something, when we do not like or permit something. The mayor faced criticism of his policies. It means his policies were not followed. It means they were criticized, and no one um, agreed to follow the policies. Criticism for, it means receiving disapproval. She received criticism for her comments. Now let us move to the next one. Damage to means harm to something. The flood caused damage to many houses. Damage from, harm because of something. There was extensive damage from the hurricane. Hurricane means storm or cyclone. It is somewhere like the storm. Now let us move to the next one. Deal with, handle or message. He knows how to deal with difficult customers. Deal between, it means agreement between the parties. The deal between the two companies fell through. Okay. Now let us move to the next one. Next is decision on, it means verdict about. We await the jury's decision on the matter. Okay, so here you can see we await the jury's decision on the matter. It means we are waiting the jury's verdict about the matter. Decision about means choice regarding. We made a decision about where to study. Okay, so we made a decision that we have to go where we have to go to study. Okay, or where we will go to study. Now let us move to the next one. Next is dependence on, means reliance on. It means when we trust someone. Our dependence on fossil fuels is problematic. Dependence for, it means relying on something for a need. Many animals have a dependence on the forest for shelter. Now let us move to the next one. Desire for or desire to. Desire for means want for something. He expressed a desire for change. Okay. Or desire to means wish to do something. She had a desire to travel the world. Okay. Now let us move to the next one. Discussion about and discussion with. Discussion about means conversation regarding. We had a discussion about politics. Discussion with means when we talk with someone or when we discuss some matter with someone. He is in a discussion with the manager. It means he is in a meeting with manager and he is talking with the manager. Okay, or talking to manager. Now let us move to the next one. That is doubt about or doubt in. Doubt about means uncertainty about. When we have uncertainty about something, we should say doubt about. I have many doubts about his sincerity. Doubt in means lack of confidence in someone. She expressed doubt in his capabilities. Okay. Now let us move to the next one. Now next one is effect on. Impact on something. Effect means when some impact is made on something. Okay, so when effect on means when we make an impact on something. The new law will have a significant effect on consumers. It means it will definitely impact the consumers. Effect of, it means result from something. Okay, impact, in fact, effect on when it make the impact on something, and effect of, it means what will be the impact of that particular thing that will be showed by the phrase effect of. Result from something. The effect of the drug was immediate. Now let us move to the next one. Experience in, that means knowledge or skill in something. She has 10 years of experience in marketing. Experience with means encounter with something or someone. Do you have experience with this software? It means have you ever worked on this software? So we can say, do you have experience with this software? Okay. Now let us move to the next one. Expertise in means specialized knowledge in. His expertise in physics is brilliant. It means he has a great knowledge in field of physics or in the physics subjects. In the physics subject, expertise on, it means authority on a topic. She's considered as an expertise. Sorry, she's considered an expertise on ancient civilization. Now let us move to the next one. Fear of means being afraid of something. She has a fear of heights. A fear for, worry about someone's well-being. Okay, so she expressed her fear for her family's safety. Okay, so this is how we can use fear of and fear for. Now let us move to the next one. Fight against, combat or oppose. She's leading the fight against injustice. Fight for means struggle to achieve support. They fight for equal rights. Now let us move to the next one. Focus on means when we concentrate on something. The meeting had a focus on improving sales. Focus off means central point or subject. The focus of the discussion shifted quickly. Now let us move to the next one. Gift for means talent for something. She has a gift for music. Gift from something given by someone. The necklace was a gift from her grandmother. Now let us move to the next one. Gratitude for, thankfulness for. He expressed his gratitude for the support. Gratitude to, thankfulness to someone. She conveyed her gratitude to her mentors. Okay, now let us move to the next one. Growth in means increase in something. There has been a significant growth in the user base. Growth of means development of something. The growth of the company has been phenomenal. Now let us move to the next one. This is interest in means curiosity about. He developed an interest in astronomy. Interest on means money paid for borrowing. Now when you pay money or when you borrow the loan, you pay interest for that. Okay, so money paid for borrowing, it means whichever money, suppose the amount of money that you have borrowed as a loan, now you will pay interest on that. Okay, it means some extra amount apart from principal amount. Okay, so you will be paying the installments of the principal uh, as well as the interest. So how much interest on the loan do I owe? Now let us move to the next one. Investment in means putting money or resources into. When we invest in something, it means we make our money or we use our money for that project. Okay, there is a significant foreign investment in the sector. Investment of means contribution of resources. An investment of time and energy is needed. Okay, not only money, but the investment of what? Time and energy is needed. Okay, now let us move to the next one. Journey to, it means travel to a destination. They began their journey to the mountains. Journey from, it means origin of traveling. The journey from his hometown took 3 days. Now let us move to the next one. Knowledge of means awareness of. He has extensive knowledge of world history. Knowledge about, information about. She sought more knowledge about the topic. Now let us move to the next one. Lack of means absence of something. There is a lack of evidence, lack in, be deficient in some quality. The product does not lack in features. Now let us move to the next one. Love for means affection for something or someone. She has a love for painting. Love of means passion for something. He did it for the love of art. Now let us move to the next one. That is membership of. So when we have membership of something, it means we belong to a group. Okay, belonging to a group. It means if I have membership of something, it means I'm the member of that group. Okay, she has a membership of the club. It means now she is in the members of the group or the club. Okay, membership in means participation in a group. His membership in the association is active. Okay, suppose A is belong A has the membership of club. It means suppose there are 12 members in the club, A is among them. Okay, uh, but if I say A is in membership, okay, so it means that he's actively associated with that group. Okay, now suppose you are a member of some group, it means you are also known as the entity or the member representing that group. But if you are in membership, it means your membership is active over there. It means it shows that the work they do is also done by you. Okay, his membership in the association is active. Now let us move to the next one. Need for means requirement of. There is need for more volunteers. Need of means lacking in want of. The garden is in need of watering. It means nobody has watered the plants in or the trees in the garden. So the garden is in need of watering. It means it is lacking in or in want of water. Okay, now let us move to the next one. Opinion on, viewpoint about a specific topic. What is your opinion on the new policy? Opinion about means viewpoint more general. She has a strong opinion about climate change. Now let us move to the next one. Passion for, it means a strong liking for something. It means when we really like something, when we have a strong liking of something, it means we are passionate for it. He has a passion for classic cars. It means he really um, loves traveling by classic cars or loves driving classic cars. Passion about, enthusiastic about. She is passionate about the environmental conservation. Now let us move to the next one. Payment for, money given in exchange for something. I made the payment for the course. It means when I paid the amount, in return I got the course. Okay, or the subscription for the course. Payment to means when money is given to someone. The payment to the contractor was delayed. Now let us move to this next one. Preference for means liking one thing over another. He has a preference for chocolate ice cream. It means uh, he likes chocolate ice cream more than any other ice cream. Preference over means choosing one thing over another. Digital books are gaining preference over physical ones. It means nowadays digital books are the choices of people over physical ones. It means they nowadays they do not want to purchase physical ones. In fact, they want to buy them digitally. Now let us move to the next one. Protection from means safeguard against. The umbrella offers protection from the rain. Protection against means defense against. The software provides protection against virus. Then reaction to, response to a specific stimulus. He had a bad reaction to the medication. Reaction of, how something responds. The reaction of the crowd was unexpected. Okay. Reaction to means suppose you take a medicine and uh, it leaves you in an allergy. Okay, it makes you allerg that that has a negative impact on you. It means you got allergy because of that medicine. It means it really reacted to you. Okay, you have a reaction of that medicine. Reaction of, it means how something responds. Okay, so how does someone um, show or behave uh, when you say something or when he sees something. Relationship with, connection with someone. He has a close relationship with her sister. Relationship between, connection between two things or people. The relationship between diet and health is significant. Okay, so this is how we can use between and with the word relationship. Now let us move to the next one. Next is respect for, esteem for someone or something. He has immense respect for his teachers. Respect of, concerning about a particular point. Okay. In respect of their agreement, both parties were satisfied. Okay. When we say with respect to, it means we are talking about that we are uh, discussing regarding this matter. So regarding word can replaced or substituted with the word or phrase respect of. Okay, in respect of this thing, it means I was talking you in respect of data. Okay, so in respect of data means regarding data. Okay, now let us move to the next one. Risk of means chance for a chance of a negative outcome. There is a risk of rain tomorrow. Risk to means danger posed to something. There is a risk to crops due to pests. Now let us move to the next one. Search for means attempt to find. They went on a search for the lost car. Okay. Sorry, lost cat. They went on a search for the lost cat. Search of means exploring a place for something. The police conducted a search for of the premises. Okay, premises. Now let us move to the next one. Solution to answer to a problem. We need a solution to this environmental issue. Solution for means remedy for a situation. They proposed a new solution for traffic congestion. Now let us move to the next one. Taste for means liking for something. He acquired a taste for spicy food. Okay. Taste of means experiencing or sample of something. She got a taste of city life on her trip. Okay. She got a taste of city life on her trip. It means she experienced the city life on her trip. Okay. Now let us move to the next one. Trust in confidence in someone or something. She has complete trust in her team. Trust of means being trusted by someone. He earned the trust of his peers. Okay. Peers means colleagues. Now let us move to the next one. Use of the act of using something. The use of plastic bags has declined. Use for it means purpose something serves. Do you know the use for this tool? Okay, so it means why we use this tool. What is the actual use of this tool? Do you know that? So we can use for. Okay, it means that shows the purpose of using that. Now let us move to the next one. That is value of worth of something. It means the value of the painting is immense. Sorry, the value of the painting is immense. Value in importance or usefulness in something. There is a great value in reading books. Now let us move to the next one. Next is view of physical sight or opinion about something. The view of the ocean was stunning. It means the physical sight of the ocean was really stunning, was really outstanding, was really very beautiful, amazing. What is your view of the situation? It means we are asking about the opinion of someone. View on, it means opinion about a specific topic. She expressed her view on the political upset, unrest. Okay, it means she expressed her opinion about political unrest. Now let us move to the next one. That is warning about, alert regarding something. She gave a warning about the incoming storm. Warning against, it means advising not to do something. So when we warn against someone, it means we warn him not to do that particular thing. She gave a warning against walking alone at night. Now that these phrases are enough that we have read till now, I hope all these phrases are now in your memory, and many of them must be in your memory now. So that's all for today's. Um, Thanks to you.